Hi, today let's make street style chicken fried rice. First, in a pan you need to add in oil. Once oil has heated, add in chopped garlic, add in chopped ginger and just saute it for 60 seconds. Then you need to add in chicken. Here I've added in chicken breast, which I've cut it into thin strips. Chicken doesn't take long because it's chicken breast. Give it a good toss for at least 3 minutes and wait till the chicken cooks, and then season it with some salt, and then again give it a good toss. Next, I'm adding in some sliced onions along with sliced capsicum. Please note again, this needs to be on a high flame. Next, I'm adding in sliced carrots and beetroots. You can add in cabbage as well. Give it a quick toss, all of them. And next, I'm adding in some basmati rice, which has been cooked along. Next, I'm adding in some basic sauces like soy sauce, red chilli sauce along with vinegar. And again give it a good mix. See to that every rice is covered with the with all the sauces and mixed very well with the veggies. Next, I'm adding in some pepper, salt along with some tomato ketchup and give it a good toss, and that's it. Your tasty street style chicken fried rice is ready to serve. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.